How to fix Telegram downloaded files and media not showing in File Manager. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. So when you open up Telegram, as you can see when I download this file and open up your File Manager, now go to Downloads. There is no downloaded Telegram file. So to save files in File Manager, you have to open up Telegram, tap on the three dots and click on Save to Downloads. Now when you open up File Manager, you can see the file is downloaded in my File Manager. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.